Okay, so we're down here in beautiful Sweden and it's windy and cold. So yeah, we're about to do the rehearsal. I'm excited. There's everyone. So yeah, hey door. Hey door.
Yes. And then, are you coming with me?
I am now.
Which side do you walk on?
You're on my right.
I'm on this side?
Yeah, the right hand is gone.
Okay. Then we come down to Carolina, the music guitar. And she has a little table in front of her.
Okay.
And then
You look so
So
good
I
right
reckon
there.
the music thing is gonna have to be on that side because it's closer to the chords. So I think Sosa goes to that side, right, with the girls.
Yep.
And we come up here and step a little bit apart. We don't need to hold it.
So is this the spot?
Yeah, I reckon that's good. After she says go now right. You see? And then you're gonna get your little girls.
You know the girls come?
We step.
Okay.
Ah, yeah.
Well, we're always the first to leave.
Are we first to leave and then she follows?
We're the first and then they follow.
Yeah, we first and then
Like, we'll give us a sign, a good pat on the bum.
when the music has played a bit, we walk off. Again. So we get the chance to talk to the girls and try. And if they run off to the moms, you just come with yourself.
Yeah, you just let them go.
You
They're
just
done their
let them
part.
Go and you come with us.
They only have to
'Cause
do
he's
20
gonna
minutes.
Need you. We're gonna need you to like. Are we looking okay?
And we will see what the weather's like.
Yeah.
So you decide what you're going to do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we got a contingency.
Did I
How-
give
how
you
it
my
is.
keys?
Yes.
Yes. That's right.
I've got
Yeah. Do you feel comfortable with that? You don't need to know every
just
word
follow.
we're gonna say.
If they
Yeah.
do the wrong, you do the wrong.
You're welcome to go and do some training. We're gonna show Carolina our backup plan and go for the text inside route.
Hey door.
Ja, nej, jag tror inte. Do you think it's too long?
No, I use perfect. Everyone.
Because it gives them a picture of what they need.
Everyone's just built up what's happening, how it's happening, and how exciting it is.
And
Lots of tissues. Alright. Good morning. Hey Blakey, where are we?
We are in
Halmstad, Sweden. And we've pretty much just woken up. We woke up a couple of hours ago, but we've sort of just cruised into town to get coffee and do what we gotta do and just sort of venture. Because we have a lot to do today. It's 2 days until the wedding. Only two. And it's scary. So yeah. We went through the rehearsal last night, which I got on camera, which was funny. So-So was in a wetsuit the whole time for the rehearsals. I'm like, you should be like that on the day. She was warm. Aqua woman. Me and Sarah were freezing. Caroline was just standing there going, ooh. She just came back from Greece, so she was absolutely like, I don't like the cold. And yeah, so we're waiting for Deb and Kim, Craig and the kids, Dad to rock up. And then we're gonna get coffees, do the beer stuff, what we gotta do, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. See, I feel we could do all this stuff easily in a day. But other people seem to think that we might struggle, so we'll see how we go. I reckon we'll do well. Got Blakey here, we'll fucking nail it. Yeah. Love this country. Sweden. Okay, so we just got the haircuts done and Mum looks good. I got clean, nice beard. It's hot, it's 22 degrees in Halmstad right now, so it's beautiful. Just need this for Saturday. So we're walking to the car now to drive up to Heinz's to get our bags, get massages and all that sort of jazz. And have a good time, because yeah, it's beautiful. Look at all these houses. All these houses are right here. And this is the old wall of the castles, and that's the beer factory. 3 huts for Sweden beer factory. Love it. I can see the car, so they haven't left yet. All right, we're on our way. we're gonna go. I'm driving because they drive slow. I don't know, he might be at the library. Or they forgot about him. But they're there. Alright, let's go, head off.
Stone walls.
Stone walls!
England.
Kimberly, where are we?
In Mooseland.
Heading up to Queensland on the highway. Look.
We really are.
No, we're not driving on the wrong side of the road. Oh, look at these tunnels. They're pretty cool.
We're near the nuclear factory.
Oh, that sounds even better. Awesome.
Heinz actually,
Put Nate there so he looks
Is
like
that
a
it
purple
over
hole.
there?
Heinz has tablets that get given to them.
I don't think we want to know, do we?
Yeah, so if anything happens with the nuclear factory, they send out a siren and he has to take his tablets and then leave within 15 minutes.
That's close. Excellent.
At least they have really cheap electricity.
Yeah, obviously. Cheap everything. Nuclear. You will not die.
Yeah, you have cheap haircuts and your hair just falls out.
And everything else.
Yeah.
No dental.
Now I know where you come
No
from.
organs.
Ah,
Hello, tunnels.
that's why I'm so special. So we're heading now down to Heinz's to have fika.
And we're going under the M2.
And we're going into the M2 right now. Here we go.
M2 tunnel.
M2 on the wrong side, and we're in.
Boo bar!
And where's our e-tag?
Hello.
Hello.
That's Sarah.
Oops.
Oops.
I just hung up.
Fun.
Just hung up on my wife. Closest one.
Hello.
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 Hey, how are you?
Good. We're on our way. We're coming to exit 57.
You're going to which exit, sorry?
We're gonna be there in a second. We're coming up to exit 57, so we're about
10 minutes.
7 minutes out.
They're 10 minutes from your dad.
Where are you guys?
We're behind you guys. We've already had lunch though before we left.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Hey, Doc.
Bye.
Hey, kids. What are we doing?
We're doing
Mom, are you asleep?
doing stuff. Yeah, but what
No. Robert is reading his book.
iPad.
You're boring.
All right.
Is it Wayne's World where they were dead in the back seat? What was that? Wally's World?
Wally's
The
World.
grandma
No, that was
died?
Weekend at Bernie's.
Weekend at Bernie's?
Bernie's.
What was it?
That's me.
What was it? It was somewhere where they were going on a family vacation and the grandmother died.
Oh,
and they
National
put her-
Lampoons.
Yes, that's it. National Lampoons.
What do we do with Deborah then?
I don't know. Put her in the back seat.
Oh,
Autumn.
She could be Bernie.
My iPad died. My iPad don't fix it. Alright, exit 57.
Roger that, next to 57 to the right.
It's very draining.
Yeah, you see that I repeat it to Sarah to make sure that it's the correct one 'cause she just rabbles. And then she goes, can you go right?
Yeah.
That way. Which way?
Where
Can you
we're-
go that way?
When we're in Finland,
Yeah.
Kimberly goes, you're going to exit off to the left. We're actually at left or right. I said, left or right? And she said, left. She said, yeah, here. I said, that's right. No, that's left.
I'm used to navigating from the other side.
Doesn't matter.
It's
It's still
just
left or
automatic
right.
in my head.
It's still the same. Your
Left,
right hand
right.
is still
I
on
know,
the right.
but
Left.
it's I
Oh,
go
look
I
at
go
all the
by
bugs.
passenger side and
No,
non-passenger
no,
side.
it's left or right. Just
And
left,
I usually sit
left.
on this
Everything on this
side
of me
and
is
turn
left.
around.
Everything on this of me is right.
Whatever.
Exit 57's coming up
I work
on the
here. I don't
what
work like
side, Kimberly?
Right.
Are you sure about that?
No, I would have said left.
You're about to say left.
I was. I would have said left because I'm used to sitting on
1,000
the
meters.
right.
I am making a big
Oh, we're going to Heinz's house.
Ducks.
Ducks!
Quack, quack.
Ducks, look
All
at
right,
them all.
you got a right coming up here.
They could be geese.
You don't get any points for birds. Don't worry.
There's a lot of them, and it's where the blue sign
Where
is.
are we? To where? Surprise house. We're going to a surprise
As in
house.
right here.
Yep. Yep, this is meant to be it, but I don't know what these signs are for. Hopefully they haven't shut the damn place.
Hello, people.
We're from Australia.
You let us in.
Can you imagine rung up and going, "Hi, we're from Australia."
How are you? How do you go down there?
Nah, they blocked it off.
They blocked it off completely.
Alright, so we're going the long way around.
I'll tell you that in a second.
So once we leave this road, we're going to go right. Remember to keep to this side.
Yeah. Said I was going to turn around.
He's going to do the same.
Yeah.
Yep. Careful, there's a bump here.
That's Hans's cables.
It is. And then we're left up here.
See the what?
No, I'm joking.
No, no.
There's a cable
I
up.
thought a doo-doo.
Left.
Left us and then follow this. I'll show you our next house that we're going to buy. This is Heinzy Dinesies.
Right.
Straight through, straight through.
It's not a little bit dry at the same time, doesn't it?
It's harder. And then we follow the road left and then
So most of these are hallway places.
yeah, now they're all proper houses. And then that used to be my favourite house because it's all dark and dirty. And then this is his house on the left with the boat.
Oh, he's got a boat.
Yep. So park between the tree and the porch is the best spot. There he is out the back. Going, hey!
Oh, no.
And we're here.
He looked at us going, "What?"
Welcome. Alright, so now we're leaving Heinzy's. We got the suits, we got everything, getting all ready to go back down to Halmstad, get everything more ready, all the bags, all the treats, all the trinkets. And then we're done. Kim got a massage, how do you feel?
Really good.
Now we're just saying goodbye. This is the last time I'll be at this house. And that's it. Yep.
Before Christmas.
Yeah, and that's it.
Time before Christmas.
So yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
You ready to get married?
Oh, I'm ready to fall asleep.
She's ready for her honeymoon.
She is. Alright.
They're like, can I go now?
Hey, hey.
I don't need to turn up.